Okay, so now we're just going to kind of continue. I just reset the screen real quick. Got a couple things running in the background right now. So back to the configuration. Just one cool thing I wanted to show you was I believe it was Uptime Statistics. Yeah, the Uptime Statistics. Basically, it shows you when the operating system was installed. So in my case, it was installed May 19th, 2010. How many times I booted the computer, the first time I booted the computer, the last time I booted the computer, first shutdown, last shutdown, total blue screens. Don't even remember having one, so that may be wrong, but maybe someone was playing with my computer when I wasn't here. Who knows? So just, and then the services, like I said, you can see that in if you go to control panel, system, then administrative tools, all this kind of stuff pops up. Then you got system files. Nothing too crazy you really need to look into in here. Protected files, group policy, startup, things like that. Resources, kind of similar to the summaries with the in and out ports and the network and your direct memory access. Nothing too crazy here. Nothing really significant in the benchmark. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't even play with this too much. Nothing that's really worth going into. But the one thing that I did want to show everyone was how to save this information, which is really cool and very simple. So, well, number one, you could either print this information just by clicking the print right here, and you can print a subsection. So if you just did this right now and left that, like, the check mark right there, the bullet, then you would just print out this section right here. If you did the selective category hardware, it would print out all these icons, all the information in there. And now you could also do the same thing for all the other categories. You click on configuration, do print, and it would just do configuration, or it would do a subsection of the configuration, and et cetera with the other three. So, but the one that I use all the time is just the hardware option, which is really, I think, what where you're going to get a lot of information from, and what you could actually you could pertain this information to a lot of other things. So really simple. You do a save as, click select the category, and you can format it as a text document, HTML document. That's for Notepad, that's for web pages, or you could even do it for Adobe Reader, which is pretty cool too. But I usually save it as an HTML, a little bit easier. You can share it a lot faster and easier as well. So you do select the category hardware, format as HTML, okay. I'll just save it to the desktop as test. And you don't have to write the HTML, but I'm just used to. So save that. So let it save to the desktop. I'm just saving it to the desktop. And then whenever you are ready, PC Wizard. And then once this is ready, we'll just open it up and I'll show you guys. I mean, it's basically just shows you all the information in text without anything really flashy, but good for checking, good for sharing with people, or even if you're selling something on eBay and you want some more specific information to post on eBay, or if you're on a forum and you want to show them what kind of hardware you have. So I'll just minimize that real quick if I can, and we'll go to test.html and open that up. See, unfortunately, I got a couple. There we go. So, and this will bring up everything, the entire hardware section. So basically everything that we did look at, but just formatted in a hypertext markup language. So, which is just HTML, is just to open up in any kind of web page, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, anything like that. And has all your information. This is the system summary right here, and it's just a quick summary of everything you have on the computer. So, operating system, the hard drives, to memory, what kind of slots, everything that you need, and it even has the temperatures towards the bottom as well. So, if I was going to recommend one program to check out an overall summary of everything that you're using on your computer, and even things that you haven't seen before that you just kind of think are interesting and you want to check out or share with other people, I would say PC Wizard is definitely a highly recommended program to play with. If you guys ever have any questions, anything like that, you're more than welcome to email me. My email is pauliojr@yahoo.com. Hopefully this was helpful, and I tried to make it as quick as I could. But there's even some more stuff on there that I didn't really go into, and some things that I haven't really checked out. But because the hardware portion is really what I use the most. So, well, thank you guys for watching, and enjoy your evening.